Alright, let's be real. Freelancing can feel like a magical escape from your 9 to 5. You dream of sipping coffee in Bali, working on your laptop. But instead, you are in your pajamas at 2 at night, wondering why your Upwork proposals are ghosted. Sounds familiar, right? Yeah, I've been there. And guess what? Most freelancers fail because they don't know how to stand out, or they're sabotaging themselves with basic mistakes while applying for freelance jobs. But here's the kicker. I've not only freelanced for 10 years, but I've also hired freelancers as a project manager on Upwork. I've seen the mistakes, the wins, and everything in between. I'm Shakib, a freelancer on Upwork and the founder of Team Creative. Over the last decade, I've closed over 500 high-ticket deals. If I can do it, so can you. So today, I'm giving you the ultimate blueprint in crafting winning Upwork proposals. 10 years of my tips wrapped up in 10 minutes. Let's go. So let me guess, you copy and paste the exact cover letter or proposal you wrote in 2017. Buddy, no wonder you are getting ghosted. Just think about it. Clients get 50 plus proposals per job, and yours is sitting there like a generic one. Hi, I'm a hard worker, blah, blah, blah. Let's fix that. So the pro tip number 1 is personalization. First off, find the client's name. No, it's not stalking, it's just the strategy. Check their job history. When you start with something like, hi Emily, I'm excited to help with your project, you are already ahead of 90% of the freelancers. It shows you have taken the time, and that's attractive to the clients. Pro tip number 2, talk about the client's needs. If the client is looking for a designer, don't hit them up with, I am proficient in Photoshop. No, say something like, I've seen you're looking for creative designs that pop and align with your brand guidelines. Here's how I've done this for clients like you. So relate your experience and expertise to their goals. Pro tip number 3, add case studies and portfolios. Clients always love seeing proofs and evidences. Explain how you have solved other similar problems in the past and how did you add value. Pro tip number 4 is the bidding strategy. Yeah, I know Upwork's Connect system feels like a bad breakup. You spend more and still get ignored. But here's the secret. Don't cheap out on connects. In my experience, if you spend 20 to 30 connects, your proposal can hit the top 2 spots. I hired several freelancers on Upwork as a project manager, and let me tell you one thing that we always almost check the top 2 first. Yes, it's painful spending $5 just to apply to be on the first 2 positions, but trust me, you are investing in visibility, and that's half the battle. So before we move forward, please hit the subscribe button to support the channel so that I can be more inspired to create more videos like this. Also, hit the bell icon and like this video. So the pro tip number 5 is using ChatGPT. I hope you know what saves your time. It's your old friend ChatGPT. You can create a custom AI prompt to help write proposals. Tell it the client's name and the job description, boom, instant tailored response. But make sure you review it before sending it. As I always say, AI is a tool, not your replacement. Pro tip number 6, get better at communication. Here's where most freelancers fumble: communication. Listen very carefully. Your hard skills will help you sustain the job, but your communication will help you get the job. Most clients want video calls these days. So before you hop on a Zoom call, prepare a couple of killer case studies and ask insightful questions. It shows that you will own the project. No one wants a freelancer who needs hand holding. And always speak with confidence. If you are unsure, say like, let me explore that and get back to you. Owning your limitations shows more maturity than pretending to know everything. And here's the pro tip number 7. It's my favorite, which is using a tool called Loom. Sharing a video proposal increases the chance of getting a job by whopping 58%. Why would you miss that chance? You can use the free version of Loom and send a video proposal to your client. By doing that, you are gonna save clients time and energy. And trust me, your client would love it. Each time I apply for a job, I record a quick Loom and share that on the cover letter. It works like a magic. Freelancing is tough, but it's not impossible. The key is to stand out. Personalize your proposals, invest in visibility, leverage tools like Loom and AI, and most importantly, communicate like a pro. Apply these tips and crush it. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comment section what freelancing topic you want me to cover next. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. Take care.